So hi, everybody. My name is Grace. I am the program coordinator for CIC. I want to welcome you again to the fall semester. I'm here today with my colleague, Anna, and we're going to be going over how to log on to Schoology, create your account, and how to submit that very first test assignment, which is a good way for you to practice submitting an assignment before the semester starts. And you should have received a PDF file of this in the email about orientation, so you can follow along with this video or with the PDF file, and either should give you the information that you need. So Anna, thanks for helping me with this today. You're going to go ahead and share your screen. Anna's going to pretend to be a new student logging in. All right, so you'll want to just go to Schoology.com to start, as you see there. And the first thing you want to do is go to sign up and choose student. Perfect, so your access code for the fall 2020 semester, and this is all capital letters, is DMVZ, as in vulture, zebra, yep, dash 6, capital T, capital Q, 7, dash 52, capital H, Z, and G. Okay, then go ahead and click continue. And then go ahead and sign yourself up. And we want to make a note at this point that you should be using a Gmail account to sign into Schoology. If you don't have a Gmail account, please take a minute before you create this account to go ahead and create a Gmail account. You can do that for free. I think just go to gmail.com and create a new account, and that will allow Schoology to integrate with your Gmail, which will make this whole process much easier. And the birthday doesn't have to be your real birthday. Just, make sure you're over 20 years old or something like that. Right. And then you should be in. Perfect. You successfully joined the course. Excellent. That is the first thing you want to see. So we're on a good track. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the actual course page. So along the top, you'll see a few different tabs. For this, today we want to select courses. And you should see yourself registered in fall 2020. Go ahead and click on that. So this page right here kind of functions as a social media style timeline. So if you have resources that you want to share with your classmates, any podcasts, if you have events coming up with your business, anything like that, you can feel free to share in this center section. And CIC staff will also be posting resources from our end in here. You can see Shannon already typed a greetings message. So those are the kind of things that you're going to see in the center section. So the first thing we're going to do is get your Schoology account integrated with the Gmail account that you will be using for this course. And the reason that we're doing this is that you will complete your homework on Google Drive, and then you need to be able to bring it back into Schoology. So there's a little bit of back and forth, but we'll get it set up here, and then after this first time, your Schoology should automatically remember your Gmail account. So to go ahead and do that, we'll want to go to the Resources tab. And then over on the left-hand side, select Apps. Go ahead and agree. And we're going to choose Google Drive Resources. So again, that's why we need the Google account. Go ahead and hit Install. And go ahead and approve. And just so you know, at this step, you are approving basically Schoology to have access to your Google Drive. It does not give CIC staff any access to your Google Drive. So we are not able to see everything that's in your drive, just for clarity. We will only be able to see what you choose to upload. So go ahead and hit connect. If you have things in your Google Drive, it will show up at this point. But again, we will not be able to see that from our end. We'll only be able to see what you submit. You can see files there, but for now you can go ahead and head back to the courses page. So what we just did there, again, just for review, you will only have to do this one time. Now your Schoology will automatically remember that Gmail account, and any documents that you create in Google Drive will show up now in your resources page. So the next thing that we're going to do is practice creating and submitting a test assignment. So there are two ways that you can see assignments, and so I'm going to tell you both of them before we go. So over on the right-hand side, under upcoming, you can see the upcoming events and upcoming assignments. So you see the test assignment there. It looks like there's also the week one is already there. So you can get used to seeing, that's where we'll put the Zoom links for each week of Schoology. The other way to get to your assignments is over on the left-hand side under materials. Go ahead and click on materials. Yeah. So there are two folders in here. The course resources folder is where we'll just put kind of extra things. So if we have a handout or a PDF file from a resource from a volunteer or something like that, they'll be in those folders. But your homework each week will be under assignments. So you can already see a few weeks of assignments here. Is the test assignment in here? Okay, so it looks like the test assignment is all the way down at the bottom for now. So you'll want to scroll down. You can see kind of what's coming up, but for today's purpose, you'll just want to go to the orientation, submit a test assignment. So when you open this page, in a normal week, this is where the instructions for submitting your homework will be. Yes. All right, so to open your assignment again, you just click on the blue text. It will have the label from each week, so you'll know which one you're working on. This will automatically open and save a copy into your Google Drive. So you just want to make sure that you're logged into your Gmail account. And Google is super straightforward. All you do is type in your answers, and then you just close the window once you're done. So it's a very easy way to complete the assignments. And so now I'll show you how to submit them after you have, entered all of your information onto the Google Doc. You just come back to this page and hit Submit Assignment. And now you're going to want to go to your Resources tab. And if you go to Apps again, it's repeating the steps from earlier. Now you'll see the assignment that you just created and edited is right there. So yep, go ahead and make sure you click the little blue box next to it. And now you should be able to hit Import directly above there. Import file. And there you go. Now you can confirm over on the right-hand side that your file is there. So let me see what is next here. So the final thing that we want to go over is just how your review will be done. So as you will learn, you will each be working with a small group leader. We refer to them as your work group leaders, and they are the ones who will review your homework. So they are the only ones that can see it. CIC staff can as well. If you ever need us to pull it up for you, we can do that. But your work group leader is the person who's going to be looking at it. If you ever, talk to them and want to try again to submit the assignment, you can see there's the resubmit button. That will just upload a second copy. So if you have edits you want to make, again, you just open that file in your Google Drive and then resubmit it when you're finished. The way that commenting works is that your work group leader will be able to open your file and leave comments on there. So after a week or so, if you want to go back and see what kind of comments they left on your file, you'll just go ahead and open it again by clicking on that blue text under submissions. And I think that is an overview of Schoology. I'm trying to think if there are any other important things to note here. Just kind of in summary, each week you'll want to find the window that looks like this for the respective week and click on the blue text to open your assignment. That automatically saves it into your Google Drive where you can complete it, and then just come back to this window to resubmit it. And then you'll be good to go. So please feel free to go through these steps on your own at your earliest convenience. That way we can help troubleshoot if any issues come up. before your orientations or before the semester starts, and feel free to reach out to me directly. My email address is down next to my name, next to my picture, I believe. You can also reach out to Shannon at cicville.org or any of the other CIC staff as needed. And we look forward to seeing you at class on the 18th.